Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Trading Ninja. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.
Then second is choosing an investment. This is another boring long one. A lot of people ask me, how do you choose an investment? You know, the most difficult adjective in the English language are beauty in a girl and value in a stock. It differs so much from the beholder, right? So how do you find value in a stock? Because for every buyer there is a seller. Some like Nandita Sen, some like Sushmita Sen, some like Ashwarya Rai. So, you know, beauty has its own concept, yeah. So it's so difficult. So, and you know, when I go to buy a stock, someone is selling it. So therefore that person feels there is no value in that stock. So, how do you choose a stock? So see, the basic thing I will tell you is when you invest in a stock, think of the business model of that company. I'm talking of invest, I'm not talking of trading. Huh? Trading may think momentum. Here you think, when you invest, think of business model. Right? And I think the first thing I look at when I invest in a company is the opportunity. Would I have invested in Titan if I didn't feel that the jewelry market in India will go, you know, from 5% branded to say 20% branded? And in 5 years, if 1 lakh crore is going to be the branded market, is the jewelry market in India, the branded market will go from 5,000 crores to 20,000 crores. So it's a 15,000 crore opportunity. So, you know, nobody can grow bigger than the opportunity. Think of Infosys. What would have Infosys been without the internet? Did Infosys in 93 know that the application of information technology will expand the way it did? But it happened and it expanded Infosys tech opportunity. So the first thing we should look at is opportunity. Look at infrastructure. What opportunities in India? Right? And of course, when you look at the opportunity, also look at the addressable opportunity. Opportunity infrastructure in India will be 25 lakh crores, but my company can only make water pumps. Only the knowns, the unknowns, to make them knowns is difficult. Right? EPS is predicted to some extent. P is very difficult to predict. But as long as your companies are gathering earning, can come in 3 months. Earnings can't come in 3 months. Say there was no growth in the corporate sector in the stock market between say 1999 and 2003. Very bad years. But once the market started moving up, the earnings were accumulating. You got the P's just in 6 months. So as long as the company's earnings are expanding, don't worry. Right? Be patient. अभी ले लिया फंस गए तो अभी क्या करेंगे? पेशेंस सुनो, कहाँ जाएंगे? Right? And make exit an important decision, not driven by profit or loss. I think very important. People want to bloody sell the flowers and water the weeds. So people want to sell the profitable investments and keep the loss-making ones. So I think every exit should be, and I have a slide on exit, should be an independent decision. Right?
So guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share with your friends. And if you are already not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you again.